Friends, this is another HTML and cascading style sheet lesson. This you see on your screen are what we learned in the previous lesson, where we learned how you can use hide to link text field with a label title. You see, for example here, when you click on enter your country, you see this text field will be selected, the same as like here when you click on enter your phone number, right? So in this video I'm going to show you another interesting features that use it with this text field. That feature is called a placeholder, right? The placeholder is very important, and it helps you to make your HTML form very attractive and your website in general, right? What you call placeholder, like this, you see. So it guides users what he or she is going to fill in HTML form. As placeholder attribute of text field, we have to use it inside of input type, which is equal to text, right? Like here when I write like placeholder, you see, and is equal to, for example, enter your, for example, enter your phone number, like this, you see, enter your phone number here, like this. Once I write like this and refresh our page, you see, now I will get the message that guides me, says that enter your phone number here. So simply you can change this message here. You can write 078958 like this, and once you save it, it will show you that you have to enter data like that. You see, it looks like this. When you click here and start to write, will be automatically removed. The same as for your country, you can come here in this text field and then enter or insert placeholder here, which is equal to like Rwanda here, like this, Rwanda. You see, now let me save it and refresh my page. You see, now it will guide me to enter country, for example, Rwanda. Once I click here, I can write, for example, USA. You see, once you start to write, automatically the placeholder will be removed and the number 07978 like this, like that. You see, that is how to use the placeholder in the text field. So this is what I supposed to teach you in this lesson. Please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, to like this video and to share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our lessons whenever they need to access it. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next one.